What's going on, YouTube? Tim here. So last week was my birthday. So my mom gave me some money. She said put it towards a box of wrestling cards. So today it came in the mail. My last video was also the WWE 2019 Money in the Bank. I had some great hits. I pulled a Miz auto, Asuka, and a Charlotte auto green parallel. That was pretty sick. It came in like a little pack, or a little card. You scratch off the number and you send it to Tops, and then they mail you the card. And I was expecting to take weeks to get in, but honestly it came in not even a week, so I was pretty excited on that. So I really liked how the boxes come with 3 autographs guaranteed, 4 hits per box. So let's just dive right in and see what we come across. I hope I don't get another Asuka. That would kind of suck. But I'm kind of expecting like a Baron Corbin. You know, Alexa Bliss would be cool too. But we will see. Let's go with this one. I kind of like Baron Corbin. I don't like King Corbin, I guess. Mostly his older gimmick. But he's a good wrestler, has a good character. But yeah, once again, has 6 beautiful packs of cards. And let's just dig into the first one. Also, a Ronda Rousey autograph would be kind of cool. Braun Strowman. Oh look, there's a Randy Orton out of a 99. Nice. Pack 2. I think the last video, the second pack had the first hit, which was the Miz. I don't even know who Tony Nese is. So I really hope I don't get a Tony Nese, because that shit would be on eBay. Come on, hit. There it is. And our first hit, it's not a relic. Whoa, Carmella. Yeah, that's a good hit out of 199. It's not too bad. Okay, let's keep on going. It's always weird filming these like videos because they take maybe 10 minutes. But like what do people talk about? I don't know. John Cena cash in. Page. So this has to be a hit, because it says 4 hits guaranteed, 3 of them autographs. So it has to be. It looks like it is. There's the hit right there. So it says out of 25. So that's going to be a killer card. Kind of feels like a relic. And Wow. The Sin Brothers Duel Auto. Not really a fan of them, but the fact you get the Duel Auto out of 25, that is awesome. People always don't like the sticker autographs, but I do because it's like hologram and it kind of stands out. That is a sweet Duel Auto. Okay, so that does it for the first box. Now the second one. I would say let's hope for something big in this one. I don't know, something big like The Undertaker, you know, something like that. I doubt it, but again, you never know. So here we go. It seems to be always the first pack is these Money in the Bank special cards. I don't even know if people collect them or not. Let's keep going. There's the Big Show Blue out of 50. Okay, so now we know. The first card is a Money in the Bank special. Second card is a parallel. So if you buy these packed individually, you don't know what you're gonna get. There's one. My wife just walked in, so I'm gonna let her come over here and tell me what this autograph card is first. Let me hear your reaction.
You might be excited. I personally don't recognize this name.
Zack Ryder? Zack Ryder out of 199. That's a cool one. Everybody goes for Zack Ryder autograph. He just got released, so maybe his value will go up. 3 more packs. Oh look, there's a Zack Ryder unsigned card. It's weird. Two more. One of them has to be a relic. Hopefully it's an auto. Okay, here's the last one, unless I missed a pack somewhere. Oh, there it is right there, I think. One of the Usos, Jimmy Uso, Matt Relic, 99. I don't know how I feel about that one. So there you guys have it. The Sin Brothers Duel Auto, Carmella, Zack Ryder, and a Jimmy Uso Matt Relic. Well, that does it for this video. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe. Send me a comment if you like these cards. Yeah, thanks for watching, and until next time.